So here I am looking at monkey face. Let me not do monkeys like that. As soon as I get back, because on my cruise I had one of her trolls, John's. Now I'm looking at this. She giving off very much masculine energy. I feel sorry for whoever let her in their space with that nice ass house. I hope she take a bath. I hope she wash her hands. I know she just gonna be nasty. Oh, girl, Lord Jesus. It's probably a white person. Y'all know ain't nobody black gonna let a nasty ass come in there. But anyway, neither here nor there. I promised that every time someone trolled on my comments, I would get over here and give them another video to troll on. So that's what I have to say about that. She's giving very much boy. So maybe she done found her a white woman that want a she-man. She is real handy-andy. They would never have to call for maintenance. For as masculine as I am, baby, I make money so that we can call professional help, okay? I'm not finna mess up my own stuff, but when it's not her money, she don't have that to worry about. So anyway, as dineful as that house looks, she's still eating with a plastic fork, probably gonna lick her fingers and not wash her hands. That's what I got to say about that. If you want to hear 3 minutes of her lies, I'll give you one. Hold on. Let's fast forward it. See what she third partying about today. Because everything she say for somebody else, she really be talking about herself. Yeah, it's definitely a white woman. Look, keep flirting. I hope she did a douche. If the lady serving her too. Gonna get you some braids to the back, Cleo. Nah, let me not never do Queen Latifah like that. So just a typical smack, and I ain't gonna be able to stay here long. And I can't go through 4, 5, 7 videos looking at this lady trying to find something. I just got back. The positive is that house is beautiful. The negative is no matter what kind of backdrop she got, she's still ugly inside and out. So y'all come on over and keep it leaving another comment. I watched one of my friends. They said she was screaming and hollering saying she was going to block y'all. You know you don't want to get blocked. You got to be available to send her the next cash out. Namaste.